Hi guys, Namaste. My name is Vijay Joshi. By profession, I am badminton trainer in Kinder Sports and works at Sri Saraswati Sishu Mandir Primary School, which is located in Radhanpur. Hereby, I want to present one of fun activity, recreational activity. With the help of that, beginner and advanced level player can improve their footwork drill in badminton. So let us show you guys how to do that particular drill. Before showing that particular drill, I want to talk about body warm up exercise. So body warm up exercise is very much important for every athlete. With the help of body warm up exercise, athlete can prepare himself or herself to give 100% while playing any kind of sports. Apart from that, games like badminton, tennis, football are highly required 100% energy of an athlete. So by doing body warm up exercise, any athlete can save himself or herself from injury and last long his career. So this is integral part of athlete life, which name is body warm up exercise. Now I want to show you how to do this particular fun activity. With the help of that, anyone can improve his footwork. So let I show you guys. So this fun activity, this recreational activity not include not requirement of racket but the shuttlecock. Yes, both the player have shuttlecock in their hands. They have to throw shuttlecock towards the opponent court. While doing this, while both the shuttlecock are in the same court, at that time opponent player will win this match. So with the help of this kind of drill, this kind of fun activity, what we can say, footwork will be ultimately improve, and apart from footwork, reaction time towards the shuttlecock is also improved. So let us show you guys how to do this particular drill. तो यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फन एक्टिविटी. इस फन एक्टिविटी से फुटवर्क इंक्रीज करने में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. साथ साथ में देखते हैं, आइए. दोनों के पास एक एक शटल है. जब दोनों शटल एक ही कोर्ट में रहते हैं तो अपोनेंट प्लेयर विल विन दिस मैच. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. So first game is over. I lose that match. Second one. 1, 2, 3, ready. Second one, last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready. Over. So guys, here you have seen this fun activity. By doing this activity, you can involve that kind of a recreational game in your weekly schedule for practicing. Apart from that, I must say that beginners or kids get enough encouragement, enough curiosity by practicing, by doing that kind of game. So I must advise you that you can involve, you can increase that kind of fun activity. With the help of that, ultimately improve the knowledge of game, as well as kids gets enough encouragement to involve in particular game. So lastly, I want to inform you about what is the importance of body cool down exercise. body cool down exercise is also important as body warm up exercise, as after finish the all kinds of game or workout, muscles is highly tense during that time. So to relax muscles, body cool down exercise is also important. Apparently I must say that to relax our heartbeats which was highly increased while we playing or doing workouts. So to relax, to calm down our heart rate, body cool down exercise is also important. Hope you liked this video. Thank you.